Hi guys, I'm gonna do a pumpkin spice smoothie for you. I typically don't do a ton of shakes or smoothies. I'm a big fan of eating whole meals with maybe a few whole food snacks in between, but sometimes it's really simple and easy to have a smoothie or a shake as something in between meals. So let's do this pumpkin pie spice one. So I got some almond milk, and it is carrageenan free, which is something that is usually put in to emulsify it. So it doesn't have that, which is awesome. And it's soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So we're gonna put that in because we do our liquids first. Now, I've never made this before, so I'm trying it for the first time myself. I have about a half a cup of organic pumpkin here. Now, I am not the best chef in the world, so I try to keep things really simple and easy. So I just bought some organic pumpkin puree. So I put that in here, so I'm putting it in my bullet. And then I have a half of a frozen banana that I'm gonna put in. And I would have done this earlier today, guys, but I finally got my new internet service, which I'm super psyched about. I'm putting in a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. And the reason I'm doing that is because it's cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves all in one. So instead of getting all three, so I'm putting a little bit of that in. Then I'm gonna put my ice in. Now, you could do a protein powder if you want here. You could do yogurt, whatever you like to do. I'm just trying to do it this way because sometimes I don't want to have protein at every single meal. It's just not necessary. So let's try it out. Oh, is this plugged in? No, it would be helpful if I plugged in my blender. Let's try it out. Okay, it's taken a little while to get, I put maybe a little too much ice in. So let's try again. All right, let's try. I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid in. I guess that wasn't enough. So see, I actually am doing this one for the first time. So let's see, add a little more almond milk, not too much. And it's on. Let's try that again. All right, this is not going too well, but I'm just trying to get the best that I can for you guys. All right, well, I'm just gonna try it for you guys and see if it even tastes good. This is terrible, what's going on here. I'm having equipment malfunctioning. All right. Okay, I personally would like it a little bit sweeter. So I have pure maple syrup here. Pure maple syrup is, as far as sweeteners go, the lowest on the glycemic index, even more so than agave nectar or honey, believe it or not. But do whatever feels right to you. Unless you want to do like a stevia or something like that, that's fine too. I typically like to go with natural sweeteners, so that's fine. You could do organic, like coconut sugar. There's so many sweetener options out there, but I will finish this up and let you know how it tastes. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Okay, I was having some equipment malfunctioning before. So anyways, I'm gonna finish this up for you and we'll try it together. I added some maple syrup to it to sweeten it up. It was a little too tart for me, even, not tart, but it wasn't sweet enough for me, even with the half of a banana. So. Okay, this actually looks like a pretty good smoothie consistency. So let's give it a try and see how it is. It's pretty good. I probably have to either use a riper banana or sweeten it just a little bit more. But all in all, it's pretty good. And if you love pumpkin, then you'll probably love this. Thanks so much for watching.